Hey guys, today I will be going over how to set up your remote display kit to both an Unverferth Model 410 and 520 scale indicator. First, I'll go over the setup process of how to sync your remote display kit to your Unverferth Model 410 scale indicator. As you can see, the remote display is not showing the same weight displayed by the indicator. The first step in fixing this is by making sure your indicator is on and you will hold the field and on-off buttons at the same time. You will then release the buttons when the display reads press. You will then press the field button until the display reads menu 2. Press the on-off button repeatedly until the display reads score M. If you have a display flashing issue, you will want to change your score M to 0. But for this, we will press the field button until the display reads 22. We will now press the on-off button until the display reads COM in. We'll now press the field button until the display reads EZ2 CMD. You'll now press the on-off button until the display reads exit. It'll bring you back to the main way menu, and as you can see, your remote display is now showing the same weight displayed by your indicator. To save these settings, you will want to turn your indicator off and then back on. Now your remote display is synced to your scale indicator. Next, I will go over the setup process of how to sync your remote display to your Unverferth Model 520 scale indicator of serial number 40,000 and higher. First, you will want to turn your scale indicator on and type in the code 2101 using the number pad. You will then press select to enter that code. You will then use the select button or the arrow keys to change the number until 2 is displayed. For units equipped with standard hardwired controls, you will set the score M to 2. But for units equipped with wireless controls, you will connect the supplied Y cable and set your score M to 0. Now you'll type in the code 2201 and press select. Doing the same process, you will change the number displayed to 9600 and press enter. It will reset your scale momentarily. Now you will type in the code 2202 and press select. You will then use the select or arrow keys until none is displayed and press enter. It will reset your scale again. Now we will type in code 2203 and press select. You will change the displayed number to 8 and press enter. Finally, we will type in code 5006. Once again, press select, and then change the display to COM1, and press enter. As you can see, now our remote display is showing the same weight displayed by our scale indicator. To save these settings, you will want to turn your scale off and then back on again. Your remote display is now paired to your scale indicator. This setup process is for your Unverferth Model 520 scale indicator with serial number 40,000 and lower. The setup process is very similar to what is done previously, and you can use the directions listed on the screen.